Struggling with dark days? Let's walk this path together. Welcome to our channel, dedicated to supporting you in your fight against depression. We understand that depression can be an overwhelming challenge, but you don't have to face it alone. Our mission is simple: to provide you with information, support, and encouragement. We believe everyone deserves mental peace and happiness. Here, you'll find educational videos that break down the symptoms, causes, and treatments of depression, featuring insights from mental health experts. Need a bit of hope? Our inspirational stories showcase real people who have overcome depression. Their journeys can inspire you too. We also host expert interviews to give you valuable advice and teach meditation and relaxation techniques to help you find your calm. And don't miss our live sessions where you can ask questions and get immediate support from our experts. But we're more than just a channel, we're a community. Join our forums and social media groups to connect with others who understand what you're going through. We promise to stand by you and empower you on this journey towards a happier life. So hit that subscribe button, like our videos, and share them. Together, let's take steps towards a brighter, more hopeful future. Remember, you're not alone. We're in this together.